Hello, Level 8 students. It's time to work on Pitch 2 for our One World Education project. So let's remind ourselves, what is a pitch? A pitch is a short speech in order to make someone want to buy something, do something, or accept something. So a pitch is a short speech that is trying to persuade or convince somebody to take an action or change their mind, change their beliefs. For One World, you have selected a topic and identified a problem and solution related to your topic. So the pitch is trying to make the audience believe that the problem is a serious issue and that the solution you identified is the best way to solve that problem. So previously, you recorded your first pitch for 30 seconds, and in that you explained what your topic is and why it is important. Now you're going to be giving your second pitch, which is 45 seconds. And it covers some of the same information. What is your issue? Why is it important? But now we are going to add your claim, the solution to the problem you identified. So if you have your One World journal, the space to take notes for pitch 2 is on page 44. If you don't have your One World journal, you can write this on a separate piece of paper. You already have notes from pitch 1. If you are happy with what you wrote for pitch 1, you can copy some of that here and then add your claim, which you already wrote and submitted on Schoology. If you are not happy or satisfied with your first pitch, you can take this opportunity to make your second pitch stronger or better by making some changes to your hook or to your reason for why the problem is important. I'd like to give you 3 pieces of advice on giving a good pitch. So what you should not do and what you should do. You should not forget your hook. You should make a powerful hook. Remember, the hook is what captures the attention of your audience. It's the first thing you say in your pitch. So you don't need to say, "Hi everyone, my name is Kaylin." The first thing you say should be your hook. A hook could be a question, it could be a statistic or a fact about your problem, or it could be a story related to the problem. It should be powerful and fast. You don't want to spend a lot of time on your hook because the point is to immediately get the attention of your audience. You should not say, "My topic is blah, blah, blah." You should take this opportunity to explain what your topic means. Your audience might not be familiar with your topic. So for example, if you recall, I'm focused on DC statehood, but I should not say, "My topic is DC statehood." I should say, DC statehood is a movement to make Washington, D.C. the 51st state of America, because currently DC is a federal district and the residents do not have the same rights as people who live in a state like Maryland or Virginia. So by saying the topic and saying what it means or saying what it is, my audience now understands what my pitch is going to be about. So first, I say my hook, and then I describe the definition or explanation of my topic. The last piece of advice: you should not read your pitch in a monotonous tone like a robot. A monotonous tone means that you don't change the tone of your voice while you're speaking. It would sound like this. DC statehood is a movement to make DC the 51st state of America. It doesn't sound nice to the audience when your voice doesn't change. What you should do is speak conversationally and naturally. You want to sound normal. So one way to do that is to not read from notes. You can have your notes to help you remember what you want to say, but don't read it exactly. The other way is to practice again and again so that you're very familiar with your topic and you can speak about it easily and naturally. So now it's your turn to work on your second pitch. You can go to the next step of the lesson in Schoology.